Hi everyone. Earlier I shared this cast and someone contacted me and asked me if I put the QR code in post or how I did it because they thought it was cool that they could scan the QR code. I do try to put the QR code in some of my recordings so that people could scan right from the video. In this case, I'm just going to show you how you can access the QR code and where you can get it from and how you can do this exact same thing. So inside WorldCAST, when you create your scene, once you save, you have access to the QR code in SVG or a PNG itself. Now, I have many tutorials on how to create the cast on our YouTube channel, and I'll put that in the link below as well. But for now, I'm just going to show you this is based on you already know how to use the system itself. So once you save, you're presented with a QR code. You could go to the gear icon and go styled, which it is now, or you could go simple, and you can download as an SVG or a PNG. In this case, I'm going to leave it on styled for our branding. Now, if you're one of our partners, it would be your branded QR code. So I'm just going to go return to Studio. The other spot you can access it is underneath your cast list. So you don't have to open the cast to get it. They're always present. So here's the one for this card right now, and I can do the exact same thing, simple or styled, SVG and PNG, and any other cast in your list, you can quickly grab the QR codes that way. I'm going to quickly delete this, just to start from fresh, just to pretend that we're starting right from the clean slate when I brought this in. So I can either go to images on the left-hand side and browse to it that way, or you can also simply drag and drop the actual element itself into the scene and just move it into position, and it will be exactly where you place it. I'm going to bring it down a little bit further, just make it a little bit smaller still, right about there, and up. And once I hit save, that QR code will be in the spot that we need it to be, so that viewer can scan that QR code and go to that cast from looking at the recording that you might have made for TikTok or any other social. I can't wait to see what you create.